家卫表，对不起，这个我不是喜欢的这王家卫导演，他的这个感觉。
You know, I wrote this role really for him. And it's so it's a very, very unique experience. I would love to work with him again. It was such a wonderful experience. Extremely thankful to him. For him, it was for sure an adventure to come to Europe and work on a medium budget European auteur film. It was an especially important, really, really long-lasting, important experience for me. He has such a graceful way of being present in a film and giving very generously all his talent to a film.